So after the reggae girls loaded up the nets at the National Stadium in their Olympic qualifying tournament, it's now the turn of the reggae boys to do some business at the office as their CONCACAF Nations League tussle with the minnows of the region continues against Aruba on Saturday. And look, to catch the reggae boys playing at the National Stadium nowadays is like catching the lotto. Of course, this is Aruba, ranked 195 in the world. And any Jamaican team that take that field, if it's 10 plus me, we're supposed to beat Aruba comfortably. So we're looking for some other things in this game. We understand that newly discovered creative gem, Bobby Reed, will miss this game because of some issues with the AstroTurf and the return game. Also missing will be Peter Lee Vassell, out injured. So the two creative options are out of this game, which could mean back to regular ugly football service, at least for the time being. But again, it's Aruba we are playing. And if Jamaica cannot beat up Aruba with or without creative players, we will stop playing football. So you want me? The Maverick are going to predict the scoreline for this game. Yes. Despite everything, I think Jamaica will win this game 7-love. Yes, yeah, man, 7-love. Yes. We know it's 6 is win, but with this game against Aruba, 7s. Yes. We know it's 7s.